Put the little booty down. Put the little booty down.
Misty is very feisty. She has her own personality. She loves to climb on her little swings that we put on her on the window. And she'll do anything to get some treats out of me and my mom. She doesn't have feathers, but she is super, super strong. When we first got Misty, she had her full feathers, but she just didn't trust anyone. Her previous owner was holding her against her will and was not patient or gentle with her. She thought everybody was gonna hurt her.
Come on, Misty, you got it. You got it, Misty, come on.
I really don't know how much trauma she might have endured at the time, but I just know that she was very scared. And then about a year after, we started to notice that she was losing a little bit of her feathers. And we got concerned. Her vet tested her for something called PBFD. And it came out to be positive. We were very nervous at first. She was not making any noise. She barely wanted to eat. So we had to introduce her to food. We're always checking the temperature of the house because she doesn't have feathers. So we make sure that she is warm but not too hot. She's pampered all the time. And slowly she started to speak.
Good job, baby girl. Very nice.
Our dogs were immediately intrigued. But she's not afraid of them at all. Making sure that they're getting along safely was really important to me. I remember the first time she chirped. I thought, okay, we did it. Like, she's gonna be here and she's gonna be happy. We knew that we had to be the people to take care of her. And she knows that I will do anything for her. She understands that I'm her person and she's mine. She completely changed my life.
It's time to watch more.